And, you know, the reason I asked this question, we kind of start off the conversation today on this topic is clearly AI is not going away, right? I love having a bit of a conversation on this, but as business owners and entrepreneurs, especially if you're not necessarily in the marketing or agency space or different things like that, where this is probably talked about a little bit more. How do we use it? You know, for your everyday business, what is the best way to use AI? What's the best way to use a chat GPT or some of these other kind of commonplace tools? And how do I maximize it and get the most out of it and get the best responses from it? So that's really what I wanted to talk about today, because one of the big lessons that I've learned and I've done a bunch of research on is you've got to treat it almost as if it's a junior team member on your team, which means we got to go through the same process as we do when we bring on any team member. We need to understand what it is that we want them to do. We've got to train them on the system and the outputs that we want and ensure that we get the end result and kind of teach it and train it along the way. So I wanted to kind of bring this conversation today to bring kind of those two worlds together. How do we bring this tried and true team training methodology and delegation methodology and pair it with all these amazing AI tools? And really, they shouldn't be separate. They should be about the same.